Today, I'm going to reveal the exact questions that transform bank presidents from intimidating gatekeepers into your funding partners. You see, here's the problem. Most entrepreneurs believe that securing business credit is nearly impossible for them. The loan application process feels like navigating a complex maze without a roadmap. But here's the truth. Bank presidents are looking for the right partners, the right people. They're looking for you. And today I'll teach you exactly how you can become that partner for them. Before we get started, I'll introduce myself. My name is JStampley, and I help entrepreneurs access unlimited funding using only two simple banking products. I'll show you how to navigate that maze with a map and show you exactly how you can get access to capital without the typical complexity and without any confusion. I'll show you how it all works for free. Click the link below and I'll show you how it works. I've personally helped investors across 6 states secure over $5 million closing deals in Texas, Ohio, Illinois, California, New York, and New Jersey. If you want to learn how it all works, click the link below and I'll show you for free. I say when you first walk into a bank, you got to understand the first thing is that you need to understand and demonstrate that you're not just another application. You are a strategic business partner. And what you want to do is ask a series of questions to understand more about them and to learn how you can be the right partner for that bank. So one question you want to ask, which will reveal a lot about how the bank works, is what specific types of loans do you offer small businesses? Asking this question, it's an open-ended question. It will allow them to tell you the types of loans that they typically lend. This isn't just information or small talk. You want to understand the types of loans that these lenders are lending. One of the next questions you want to ask is, hey, can you walk me through your loan process from application to funding for businesses? And this also is to demonstrate, is allowing the lender to tell you their process, the steps that they take. It's going to tell you the timeline that it takes and any intermediary steps that are required. This is going to have an idea to tell you how long it would take from application to when you actually get funded. And the next question I want to ask is, can you tell me a little bit about your interest rates and lending terms? And this is going to tell you what the cost of that debt is going to cost you. So it's not just, hey, what can I get? But hey, well, what is it going to cost to pay it back? That's very important to know, and you want to understand how that works. Because generally speaking, when you're looking to borrow money as a business owner, it's to make some type of a play, some type of an investment, to make some kind of a deal work. And that deal or that play or that investment is going to ultimately pay you back money. And when you understand what it pays you back, you must also understand what you have to pay back on that loan that you borrowed. So you want to understand what those costs are. And also you want to do is get additional information as well. You want to say, like I said, can you explain to me the repayment terms? And that will tell you how long the loan term will be. So how many months or how many years. This will show that to the bank that you're thinking long term. It shows that you are committed to not only borrowing, but borrowing responsibly. And another question I want to ask is, hey, are there any additional fees that I should know about? A lot of times lenders charge points and other fees, and you want to know what those are up front so you can plan for and understand and know up front what those additional costs might be for your loan. And another key question you want to ask is, what documents will you require me to provide? This is very helpful because this allows you to be very prepared. A lot of times when you're in business and you need to access money or access capital, you may need to access it in a hurry. And oftentimes it's helpful to know what the bank will want you to provide so that you can have all those documents in line, all those documents prepared, loaded on your computer so you can just push a button and send those in an email right to the lender in a nice little package or a nice little email. That way they have everything that they need to be able to approve and say yes to your loan. And finally, the other thing you want to do is actually make sure that you are making it personal. So what you want to do is ask them, hey, can you tell me a little bit about what you like to see in a borrower? This invites them to tell you what they like to see and the types of people that they like to invest in so that you can ideally put yourself and position yourself in a similar light so that you can be investable and that you can show how you have similar characteristics of those types of people that they like to loan to. And all this is just simply demonstrating that you have a genuine interest in being successful. You have a genuine interest in actually following the rules. And this allows you to understand how they like to lend, how they like to work. And you know that up front so that when it's time for you to send your application in, you're going to send it in following all the rules and pretty much coloring in the line, so to speak, and being sure that you do things in a fashion so that in a way that they'll expect, in a way that they like to see, so that you can easily get approved. So if you would like to learn more about this and are ready to unlock bank funding for yourself, click the link below and I'll show you exactly how all this works using only 2 simple banking products with 0 complexity. So if you'd like to learn how all this works, go ahead and click the link below and I'll get you access and show you how it all works for free. And hit that subscribe button and turn on the alerts so you don't miss the next video. But before you go, I'd like to pray for you. So do you mind if I pray for you? I affirm that at birth you have been equipped with supernatural grace, that it is more than sufficient for every challenge that you face. You at birth were given all that you need to weather every season in your life, and every unexpected twist, and every turn in life's journey. I affirm you are supernaturally infused with divine strength that transcends human limitations, supernatural intelligence that operates beyond natural understanding, and that explosive spiritual power lies within you and makes everything you desire possible for you. Through God, nothing confronting you is too complex. Through God, nothing confronting you is too difficult. Through God, nothing confronting you is overwhelming. Every obstacle before you will dismantle. Every difficulty you will overcome. You will emerge victoriously. You are divinely positioned, strategically placed, and intentionally designed for a purpose far greater than any of your current circumstances. Scripture says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. God bless.